Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the TOZO HT2 headphones. They're great headphones and the latest addition in the TOZO headphone series. They come with adaptive noise cancellation and also 6 active noise cancellation modes. And not just that, it can also connect with an application and it has many equalizer modes in the application also. So it comes packed with many more amazing features inside it, and in this video we're gonna be taking a look at all of them. But before we start, if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it and check out the TOZO HT2 headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox it to find out what comes inside the box. So I'm gonna get it out. So first of all, I really like the unboxing experience. We have this folder first of all, in which we will get the user manual. Other than user manual, we also get the quick guide. It has all of the information you need to get started. After that, we get another box inside it. So let's go ahead and open it. So inside it, we get 2 cables. We get an aux cable to use it as a wired headphone, and we also get a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the headphones. So I really like that it has USB-C charging port, so you can charge it easily and fastly. And after that, we will get the headphones inside it. Let's get them out. I'm gonna move it, and here is the first look on the headphones. They are surely looking great. Let's remove the plastic protectors. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look on the headphones. One important thing that I missed during unboxing is that the TOZO HT2 headphones also comes with 18-month of warranty, and to activate the warranty you need to scan the QR code and activate it within 14 days of its arrival. Now let's look at the headphones. The headphones are made of really good quality. The feel of the plastic and overall the material is looking quite good. If you move this way, the cushions are also looking really good and they will be really comfortable on the ears. If you have a big head, you can also extend the size of the headphones, while the original fit works the best for me. We also have cushioning here, and if we talk about the fit, so the fit is looking really good. They are really comfortable to wear and the natural fit is working well for me. After that, we have the TOZO logo here. If you look at the right side, we get many buttons here also. So let's start from the power key. First of all, we have this power key here. It can be used to turn on the headphones. We also have an LED light here to indicate that the headphones are turned on and for other functions. Then we have the volume buttons here, and after the volume buttons we get the headphone jack here. It's a 3.5mm jack. Using it, you can use them as wired earphones. It will work great with all laptops which do not have Bluetooth option, and also for the gaming lovers, since with wire there is least latency. Then we have the USB-C port here to charge the earphones. Then here we get the microphone, and after that here we have the noise cancellation switch. And now it is time to connect them with the smartphone. The TOZO HT2 headphones come with Bluetooth version 5.3 for stable connection. It also works with the TOZO application, which is available for both Android and iOS. It is directly available in App Store and Play Store. All you need to do is go to App Store and go to the search tab and just search for TOZO. You can also find the link of the application in the description box below. Let's open the application, allow everything. You can skip the login if you want, so give it access to Bluetooth. Now let's go ahead and connect it with the smartphone. For that, you will need to turn on the headphones by pressing and holding this power key, and here the light will start to blink. So here we have TOZO HT2. Let's connect with it, and now it is connected with my iPhone. So you can exit this prompt. Once you are here, you can also connect it with the application. For that, tap on add device, and here you can see TOZO HT2, and here the headphones have been connected with the application. Overall, the application is looking really good, and we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features later in the video. So to check out the gestures and controls, I'm gonna open Spotify. So first of all, we have this power key here. So using the power key, you can play and pause the media playing on your device. It can also be used to answer the incoming calls, and to reject the incoming calls, you can press and hold the power key for 2 seconds. You can also access the voice assistant using this key. For that, you will have to triple tap it and then it will open the Siri. These were all of the functions of the power key. Then we have the volume down and volume up key. So the volume up key can be used to increase the media volume, and you can also press and hold it to play the next song. Then we have the volume down key, which can be used to reduce the volume level obviously, and you can press and hold it to play the song from the beginning or to play the previous song. So these were all of the functions of both of these buttons. Now let's go ahead and test it for music. But before that, go to the TOZO application, and here you can find many equalizer modes for best experience. For that, go to the EQ section, and here you can see that we are seeing all of the decibel levels. You can tap here for more sound effects. We have standard, bass plus, bass minus, and many other options here. If I talk about myself, I always prefer the bass plus option. So I've connected them with my iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go ahead and play some music first of all. So I'm gonna open Spotify, and here let's go for Without Me by Halsey. So currently I'm using equalizer mode only from the TOZO application, and I'm using the bass booster mode, and it is actually quite good. The sound is really clear and the bass is also really neat and quite good. It is not hurting my ears at all, and I'm really enjoying the music so far. So one very important thing that I would like to point out is that if you're using equalizer mode from the TOZO application, then I would recommend you to turn off equalizer mode from Spotify as well as from the default settings in the iPhone and also in the Samsung and other devices, because if you are using equalizer mode from multiple applications like from TOZO application, from Spotify as well as the default settings, then it won't work well and you won't enjoy the music. Because firstly I was using bass booster mode from the Spotify application as well as the TOZO application, and the bass was not too neat because the bass was boosted too damn much. So I would recommend you to use equalizer modes from only one application. And if I talk about my experience with the music, then it has been really great so far. The voice of the singer is really clear and the bass is also quite good, and overall the echo and everything is also quite good and quite balanced. Talking about the sound, the TOZO HT2 comes with a high resolution sound. It has ultra wide frequency response range of 16 Hz to 44.1 kHz that far exceeds your hearing range. So now it is time for the calling test. Let's go ahead and call on the other device. So the sound from the other side is coming really well. I'm hearing it in the headphones. So now let's go ahead and check out the microphone of the TOZO headphones. So currently I'm testing the microphone of TOZO headphones. It looks quite good. And one very important thing is that the TOZO headphones come with 3 ANC mics, environmental noise cancellation mics, which really helps in the calling experience. The TOZO headphones come with 6 active noise cancellation modes. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of them. First of all, we have noise cancellation mode, which will block all of the external noise. After that, we get transparency mode, which will help you listen to the ambient sound around you, and it will make you feel like you're not wearing the headphones. Then we have the reduce wind noise option. It will reduce all of the wind noise around you. I would love it since I'm really irritated by that. Then we have the layer mode. It will reduce the noise level around you, but it won't make you feel like you are under the water. It will only reduce the noise to a comfortable level. Then we have normal mode, by which you will feel like you are wearing any other headphones, as there will be no effect of active noise cancellation on that. And in the end, we have the adaptive mode, which will automatically reduce the noise around you depending on the atmosphere. When you turn on the adaptive noise cancellation mode, the headphones will emit 2 audio segments within 10 seconds, and then they will enter the adaptive noise cancellation mode. And these were all of the active noise cancellation modes inside it. And in the end, it's time for the gaming test. For today's video, I'm going for the Call of Duty. So my experience with Call of Duty was great. I was really enjoying the overall gaming experience. The sound, the bass, and everything was looking quite good. And I'm not a pro gamer, but I really enjoyed the experience on the headphones. And if you're not a pro gamer like me, I think you can actually really enjoy the headphone quality while playing games. The battery life of the TOZO HT2 headphones is just insane. It comes with a 500 mAh of battery capacity, which over 60 hours of continuous playtime. Obviously, active noise cancellation has an effect on the battery timing, and with active noise cancellation turned on, the battery life is reduced to 40 hours. But still, even 40 hours is a great battery life. And as I mentioned earlier, they come with a USB-C charging port, which means even the charging speed will be really good. So guys, this was all from today's video and from the TOZO HT2 headphones. What do you think about it? To be honest, I really like them. The fit of the headphones is really good, and it also has many amazing modes. We have 6 active noise cancellation modes, which really helps a lot for me because I live in a noisy area. And after that, it also has many equalizer modes in the application, which also really helps in enjoying the music more. And other than that, the battery timing is just insane. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the headphones. To see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.
my dance, make it